This is the performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for week ending May 29th. Let's start by inputting the current account balance into the spreadsheet. So I lost a little bit last week, down $215, which is a percentage loss of 0.63%. And these were the 5 positions held in the portfolio last week. First one is AVGO, which is Broadcom. That was the best trade of the week. It was up 6.8%. And this is how the trade looked. So weekly reversion is a dip buying strategy. And so it was looking at the weakness in the recent past. And it entered here on Tuesday morning. It was a short-end week. So we got in here Tuesday and sold here Friday for a pretty big profit. Okay, next one was Google. That one was down 1.1%. And we bought the dip here and sold it here on Friday for a small loss. Next one is NE, Nextera Energy, down 2.4. We bought the dip, but it never recovered. Next one is Nvidia, down 2.5%. So we got in here and we sold here. And the last one is Walmart. That was the worst trade, down 4%. So there was a dip after an earnings call last week. And because of, I believe, weaker consumer confidence, consumer spending, it dropped after that and it just kept going down this week. So we lost about 4%. And let's input the current balance into the cumulative tab. So this is how the equity curve looks since we went live with the strategy in 2024. And let's also look at the long-term backtest. This one goes back to 1994. And over that time frame from 94 to present date, the strategy's annualized return is about 20% compared to just 9% for the S&P 500. And year to date, the strategy is now up 8.2%. And this is how the long-term backtested equity curve looks for weekly reversion compared to the gray line, which is the S&P 500. So if you'd like to learn some more about weekly reversion, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service where I email you the stock picks into your email inbox on a weekly basis, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.